Coach, I wanted to thank you for the AMD help earlier.
Oh yeah, are you crushing it on that?
Yeah, I make $17,944.
Oh my gosh, nice job. Let's look at it. That I had marked 119.50. Remember, I said don't go long unless it breaks 119.50. Look at what it did, everybody. It hit 119.45 and pulled back, crashed. That's awesome. Did you say you made $17,000 on that trade?
Yeah, I went a little bit heavy. I had 300 contract.
What a rock star. Yeah, and look at it. It's trying to pull right here, right? Look at this thing.
Uh,
Just be careful. You got VWAP right here, and everything is bunched together. So take a look at this, partner. Right here, you
yeah,
see how it's all jammed together?
yes.
So this one you got to be careful of. Just like if I shorted it below VWAP, well, then I've got to be careful right here. So in my head, if I was looking at this, and wanted to short it again, I'd actually wait till the break of this 118.30 range. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Because if I try to short right at VWAP, it could get close, bounce, trying to get back up to this 9. Just like right now, I don't want to long this, everybody, because it's jammed up. And if I longed it right here, let me show you. The next level of resistance is right here. See it?
Mm-hmm.
So what I want to do is, if I'm going to be working this one now, I want to wait for the break of that 119.04 to get you to the 200 to get you back to 119.50. And if I'm looking at to the downside, I want to wait to the break of 180.30 to get our moves to the downside on those. So just be mindful of what's around there. See, and look at that bounce.
Mm-hmm.
So right here, we get a break now. This 119.04, we're going to get a ride to the 200 most likely, right? So here we go. There it is. Now that's technically the 200, just so you know. Right there's your 200. There's your upside. Shed, shed, shed. If it breaks the 200, I'll add. If it pulls back, I'm out. Waiting for the next setup. Make sense, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Over and over.